Three, two, action. I've always been one for a flair of the dramatics. Hi, y'all. I am Aaron Pratt. I am happy to be taking this course with you. I have been teaching now. I'm in my ninth year. All 9 of those years have been with 6th grade. Uh, I wouldn't have wanted 6th grade moving into the world, but I have loved it a lot more than I ever thought I would have. There's so much they can do. There's so much they can get away with. Uh, with that in mind, let's move on. Here's a brief introduction. This is me and my ridiculous family. We're cute, I know. That's my wife and 2 kids, 5 and 2. We do our best to live the dream. Anyway, with that in mind, technology has always been a big part of who I am. I've been programming since I was 10. Started off with GW Basic, if any of y'all know what that is, but, I don't expect you to. I've dabbled with HTML. I took some programming classes in college. When I graduated high school, if you would have told me that I was going to become a teacher, I wouldn't have believed you. I may have laughed at you a little bit, but here I am, killing it. My 7-year, 4-year degree with about as many degree changes, ranging everything from graphic design to computers to just about anything. It was a child psychology, through the psychology department, a child psychology class that steered me to education, and I have never looked back. I love every moment of my job. I love every moment of technology. I use it as often as possible. I wish I had more of it. And I'm excited and looking forward to learning with you and seeing what we can accomplish throughout this course. Peace and love.